What if you never had to worry about money again? What if you could wake up every day and choose exactly what you want to do, without a job or a boss dictating your schedule? That, my friends, is the power of financial freedom. It's not about being super rich or owning a private jet. It's about having enough income from your assets to cover your living expenses, so work becomes a choice, not a necessity. Imagine that for a second. You could travel the world, start that passion project you've always dreamed of, spend more quality time with your family, or dedicate your life to a cause you believe in. Financial freedom isn't just about money. It's about owning your time, which is your most valuable asset. It's about reducing stress and gaining true independence. So how do you get there? It might sound like a distant dream, but it's achievable with a clear plan and consistent action. The journey starts with a simple yet powerful step: understanding your finances. You need to know exactly where your money is coming from and where it's going. This is your financial starting line. The first practical step is to create a budget. I know, the word budget can sound restrictive, but think of it as a spending plan. It's you telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Track your income and expenses for a month. Use an app, a spreadsheet, or just a simple notebook. You might be surprised by what you find. This isn't about cutting out all the fun. It's about being intentional with your spending. Once you have a handle on your cash flow, the next goal is to pay off high-interest debt, especially things like credit card debt. This kind of debt is like an anchor dragging you down, making it incredibly difficult to get ahead. Create a debt repayment strategy like the snowball method, where you pay off the smallest debts first for quick wins, or the avalanche method where you tackle the highest interest debts first to save more money over time. The best method is the one you'll stick with. Now for the exciting part: building your wealth. The key here is to increase the gap between what you earn and what you spend, and then invest that difference wisely. You can do this by increasing your income through a side hustle, negotiating a raise, or developing new skills. At the same time, you can reduce your expenses by cutting back on things that don't truly bring you value. This extra money is your seed for financial freedom. You need to put it to work for you. Investing is how you make your money generate more money. This is the magic of compounding. Don't be intimidated by it. You don't need to be a Wall Street expert. You can start with simple, low-cost index funds or ETFs that track the overall market. The most important thing is to start early and be consistent. Even small, regular contributions can grow into a substantial amount over time. Finally, set clear, tangible goals. How much money do you need to be financially free? A common rule of thumb is the 4% rule. This suggests you can safely withdraw 4% of your total invested assets each year to live on. So, if your annual expenses are $50,000, you'd aim for an investment portfolio of $1.25 million. That number might seem huge, but remember, this is a long-term journey, not a sprint. Break it down into smaller, manageable milestones. Achieving financial freedom is a marathon. There will be ups and downs, but with discipline, patience, and a solid plan, you can turn this dream into your reality. Start today by taking that first small step. Track your spending, make a plan, and start investing in your future self. You've got this. Like and subscribe for more videos. Compound interest, the eighth wonder of the world.